Now the problem with Sundowns was this, giving the balls away. Now look at this pass. Now this is what they wanted to do. If you don't communicate, you need to communicate. Angeke say two, go for one ball. We can't. It's totally wrong. As soon as you get the ball here, pass Matthews la, because there's no defender this side. You pass Matthews lana, then we go and attack. Now watch. Part inside. Chesrick, heel extension, Matthews. There's a different angle where Inyaola Kelaga right, he just puts it in front of William. Watch this one. These guys, they are very smart. There's no need for you. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. AS FAR 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Sundowns are the African champions, winning the final via aggregate 2-1 score. It wasn't a beautiful game. For a neutral fan, it wasn't a beautiful game. Too many stops and starts, Sundowns losing the ball, both teams losing the ball easily. One thing that made me angry last week or in the first leg was Sundowns missing chances, because I knew Uguti, they will give away silly mistakes, silly goals. One of the reasons that Sundowns lost the league was because they gave away silly goals, easy mistakes, and then they could have lost this game because of ama mistake that they did, unnecessary mistakes. But at the end of the day, they won because they grinded the results. The difference between Sundowns, Thiago Rulani, and Lega Cardoso is they are able to grind ama results. You don't have to win ama game playing beautiful football. If you go back to the first star, the Sundowns Yagapit, right? When they played away, they used to grind out ama results. This is Champions League football. You don't have to play pretty football. Now, let's start. Let's go into the game. I'm gonna start with the setup plays. But one of the things that I picked up was the AS FAR playing long balls. They are not a team that plays the long ball. They are not a team that plays ama crosses emoyen. But when I saw that, I knew Sundowns is a win. Now let's start here. Keeper has the ball. Now, this is what they wanted. They wanted this striker to play the ball to the left winger so that Guzoba no one-on-one. I'll show you the next clip that I'll show you. Beautiful example, yeah. Just like how Pirates does it most of the time in the league. But now we're gonna focus on the setup, the Sundowns. 4-2-3-1, right? Their normal setup. Now everyone is gonna go back into their position. The problem was not the setup. The problem was Sundowns giving the ball easily. I'm gonna show you. They lose the ball, then AS FAR will go on a count. You have the 4 at the back, but now you remember, sometimes they push up both their full backs. But in this game, Umutau was the one staying. And look at where Ulunga is. Ulunga is here, pushing up. You have the 2 double pivot. You have the 2 double pivot. Then you have Santos, no Matthews, Mateo playing as half 10. Litaku playing on the right as a right winger. Now the problem with Sundowns was this, giving the balls away. Now look at this pass. Now it looks like it's a beautiful pass, but if you pass the ball like that, how do you expect the striker to control the ball? Because you're just giving the ball away. Adams bekafuna ukuthi uLeona yenzeni la. That's just one example. Let me show you another clip where AS FAR plays the ball long. AS FAR is not a team that plays long balls, yeah? But it's something. When I looked at the semi-final, yeah, right. It's not a team that plays direct in terms of the ball to the striker. They play to the wingers, né? But it's good that they tried something different. This is what they wanted to do. If you don't communicate, you need to communicate. Angeke say two, go for one ball. You can't. It's totally wrong. You can't need to jump ball anyone. But this is what the AS FAR wanted. But the problem was, this guy was scared of taking on Umudao because best right back when in Africa when it comes to defending. When it comes to defending, I give him that tight lead. But when it comes to Ezinyizinto, I don't give him that tight lead. Even though in the game they tried to attack him, he was clean at the back. Very good defending. There are certain things as fans or as supporters will never experience and will never understand. Né? Is playing in a game like this where umsindo of the fans, it's too much and the players get nervous because you see things that Sundowns did, like Uzbuz with Haumara. Why? It's because of the nerves. They didn't want to give away easy goals, even though it's in their genes. Yeah, let me come this side. It's not easy playing in these games. You end up doing mistake. You end up not playing a pass where you're supposed to play it. You end up playing it long, especially on the left hand side. Both Ulunga, Divine Lunga, and Undamani, they didn't have a good games in terms of playing the ball. But sharp. Let me just play it and then I'll take it back. Because Undamani has options to play the ball. Then Divine Lunga here. It's these things where you like, why? You are playing away, you want to go for a challenge like this. When it's these games, you don't give the crowd the energy, right? Because when you do this, the crowd yapagama, they want a red card. Now, okay, let me take it back. It's small things in here that when you are experienced, you know what you have to calm down the fans. Don't give away silly things, right? Sharp. Now, you can easily pass him the ball here. And you pass him the ball. If he drops, he can still pass you the ball here. Or he can go back and move. He doesn't pass the ball. Now, Matthews can easily ask for the ball. Easily, I'll be the ball. Because this guy, this guy is caught in two minds. Now, let me take it back, Gangan. Just want to show you. This guy is caught. This is the right back. Eh? This is the right back. He is caught in two minds. He doesn't know, must I come here? Must I go there? And again, he's still worried about the ball being played behind. So Sundowns failed to find this extra player, just to come out. Maybe it's because of they were nervous. They end up doing what? They end up playing the ball. It's under unnecessary pressure. These games, when you're playing away, they want you to always play it simple. Just keep it simple. Pass. When there is space, you just pass. Eh? When there is space, you pass. Because if you lose the ball, now watch. Turner, now pass the ball. It's easy, Matthews. Pass the ball. He doesn't. Bayal Tata, now Bayenzani, counter attack. Easy, simple. Turner, upase, because umuntu says spacing. I told you about this team. They cross the ball on the floor. The moment they start playing the ball in the air, just know Guti. They don't know what they don't know what they are doing, but they're doing something that is not normal to them. Because if you go and if you watch the whole game, then when they were playing crosses in the air, there was no danger for his Sundowns. Another chance, another missed pass. Sundowns Sienzani winner ball in the middle. Could have easily passed the ball there. You took time to pass the ball. Why? I wanna pace. You must know yourself. You don't have speed. right? Pass the ball, then you'll join the attack later. You understand? Than you wanting to charge. We have Vala space, and then there's players coming back. Let me take it back Angane so that you can see. As soon as you get the ball here, pass Matthews la. Because there's no defender this side. You pass Matthews lana, then we go and attack. It becomes 2 or 3 against these guys. 3 against 3. Okay, let's say 4 against 4. But you decide to push the ball over space. Over space, now they go in on attack. This could have been a penalty. You don't defend. Once umuntu wadlula, you don't leave your trailing leg. Why do you do that? Like into that's why you fail to understand. You've been a professional player for so long. Why do you want to leave a trailing leg? I don't get it. Ulunga bafethu. Could have been punished there. Ulunga angaz. Why do you leave a trailing leg? Let's see ilontuzana la. Bafethu mara Divine Lunga. Why do you leave a trailing leg? Because you are very lucky that this was not given as a penalty, or you didn't touch. Why do you leave it? Jeez. Very lucky Mbanagiti. Sundowns giving the ball away easily. You throw in here, they are throwing, they give the ball away easily. You put yourself under pressure. Good defending Lapaya. Stop giving the ball away easily. You have to keep the ball. Now, you're going to play a cross. This is not a team that plays crosses in the air. Look how many Sundowns players are here, but they still play a cross. Tells you, Guti, it's not in their nature. Okay, sharp. Now, Sundowns Sienzani has the ball. There's no need Matthews to pass there. Outside foot in Panagiti, there was no need for him to pass the ball. Go, charge, keep the ball. Because you play it there. Yes, it's not a bad idea, but keep the ball for as long as possible. Sharp. Goalkeeper Yenzani, we are clear. Let me come this side. Goalkeeper Yenzani, we are clear. Now, we have the chance to control the ball. We don't. Again here, we don't. Yenzani, by winner. Now they go on attack. 3 times we were given the ball, we couldn't control the ball. Could have scored there. If Bebashai target, Williams Begazulpera at around the 23rd minute, Sundowns had 2 shots on goal. 2 shots on goal. Now let's start with the first one. Undamane needs to improve his passing. This is Sundowns. Ukasi Shapi no look pass as a defender. Ushayama no look pass as a defender. Now, Sundowns goes on an attack. Could have played the ball there. He doesn't. Chai's turn there. Takes a shot. Could have done better here. Yacha, Hampanagit. Yacha. You have 2 experienced players here. And Ulitako, he likes taking shots, but he doesn't. Agana technique. Takes a shot. Okay, sharp. Think La Beseba Cartel. I think AS5 Besei Cartel. Watch what they do. Try to play a long ball. Now, keep it. This is what Sundowns didn't do enough. Short passes. You have to be, when you... guys, we are a team, we are a country that likes to play AMA 1-2, AMA short passes. But you can only do AMA short passes if you have players, you have an extra player, Pagat Nendao, right? That opens up. 1, 2. Mateo Mfanagit. Oh, jeez. Yabona Lil. Had he scored this one, oh Jehovah, we would have forgiven him for last season. There are certain things that players will do. Uzbuz good. Mara mfethu, why bungakhahlela ibhola ngaphandle? The penalty, but ngizoyicala la, right? Still complaining. I don't know why was he complaining. Maybe bekafuna ibhola. I don't know. Leon still complaining. I want you to watch this guy. He is the one that I wouldn't say causes a penalty, but sharp. Just focus on this guy. Now we are defending. We can't see two. Sizofuna ukumaka umuntu oyi-1. Either you need to go there. He needs to go there. Miyekele uSantos ayomaka la. Continue. Ball goes back. Remember this guy, Yambon, Usase1. Bayenzani, they find him. Now they go on an attack. Okay, sharp. You can still clear the ball. It's this thing of wanting to use Inyaweli1 as a player, especially left-footed players. Abafuna ukusebenzisela ka-right. Ayi bafethu. You have the time. He scanned. Ulunga, he scanned. Is someone coming this side? He scans. We are born with Hagunamu. Why don't you use your left foot? Your right foot, I mean. Use your right foot in Panagit. Because these guys, the North African teams, they will milk it. They will milk everything. Milk. The beginning of the season or in the middle of the season, Sundowns made a lot of signings. Not all of them worked out. It's like that, man. For every team, you can sign 10 players, doesn't mean all of them will work out. But Brian Leon, the trademark run and cross AS Sundowns on the left-hand side. Beautiful to watch, beautiful to witness. It's beautiful. And luckily, it was not in front of him. Beli pakat nendao. Had it been in front, as well Kakela more right, it was going to be beautiful. But he still did well. He still did well using his left foot. Just that the replay is too far. Football is a game of attacking and defending. A lot of Sundowns players didn't have a good game in terms of attacking. The importance of Matthews. Matthews, he's very important. Just being in the right positions. Tactically gifted. The outside foot. I don't like players passing outside foot. Mara, this one, this outside foot, Yaga Mukwena traps the ball. I thought when I saw this, I wanted him to pass Matthews this side. But because Asike grounding, Asboni the way I'm a player on a corner, he sees this space la and he passes in outside foot. Beautiful trapping because I got Tindang on your shoulder. Now watch. Pagat inside. Tashrik heel extension Matthews. Tashrik heel extension Matthews. Always finds himself in positions Mfanagit. Heel extension Pagat inside. Some things, guys, in life you need luck. In football you need luck. Imagine this ball there. Heel extension Matthews. It could have went anywhere, but it lands up for Mukwena nicely. Bah, Pagat inside. Second half, Sundowns continued to give the ball away. To be honest, they didn't have a good game, but there was no need for them to have a good game. They got what they wanted. Baila Paya just and they got what they wanted. Now Sundowns made a change. Bafaga Mr. Miyagi Allende Bakipa Ulitlab because they needed that extra player. Allende is that guy. He'll always find the space. He'll always go there so that Sizokona Upum. For me, I would have taken Santos and keep uLitlaku, just for that width, just for that speed. But now, let's watch. Okay, in this clip, I'm gonna show you in this clip why Umutao is rated the best right back and what I don't like about Umutao. What I like and what I don't like. Beautiful trapping. Okasiluki, so one-on-one, he's gonna win it. Now this is what I don't like. There's no way you can take on the whole team. You could have passed the ball earlier. Now you was under pressure. You did something great. Now obviously you're emotion. When they started doing this, it was over. They don't have that strength. They don't have that aerial strength to catch them up. They don't have that. AS FAR is not a team that scores a lot of goals. You can even look at their group stages. I think they scored 3 goals, Guma group stage. Out of 6 games, they scored 3. The reason why when they push up, they don't have or they don't put a lot of numbers inside the box. Now Sundowns is gonna win the ball. Keep it simple. It's another chance that they give away. They give away ball. Pass. You have Usantos here. Don't shield and want to foul. Pass the ball. Let's keep when you pass the ball. When we have it, you get the confidence. But if you look for a foul and then you don't get it, your confidence will go down. You are looking for a foul. Now what? Counter attack. Now watch how many Sundowns players come back. This team, they don't score. Look how many players. You have 7 Sundowns players coming back. They don't score a lot of goals because they don't push enough numbers inside the box. They are strikers, the players that play as strikers. There's one that likes to come in the middle, and then there's another one that likes to go on the side. That's why they don't get a lot of chances. They don't get a lot of chances. When they start crossing the ball, just know it. Marceli Zemoyen, is shy. Giving the ball away easily almost cost his Sundowns. Now this is the 1-year penalty, right? Cross Emoyeni. Sundowns has the ball. Sundowns has the ball. Now, Sales, open up here, Banagit. Open up. Let's keep the ball. Okay? Sharp. Yalpasa. We lose the ball. We win it again. Now watch. Keep the ball. They almost lost this title because of they were giving the ball easily. Beggar foot. Pass. They lose the ball. Yes. Now, penalty. We all players make mistakes, or I keep playing against mistake. But now, you didn't catch the ball, Angit. You didn't catch the ball. Now there's a striker coming in. Why do you go and challenge for the ball? Because if you watch the angle, the replay, these guys, they are smart. They'll make everything. This guy Wenzeni, he put his right foot. These guys, they are very smart. If you watch his right foot, don't challenge for the ball. This guy, there's a different angle where Inyaola Kelaga right, he just puts it in front of William. Watch this one. These guys, they are very smart. There's no need for you. Yes, I understand when the mistake you want to rectify. But that's why I get nerves, guys. Nerves. Hey, I'm a nerves. Final clip of the game. Final clip at this season. But firstly, I just want to say thank you, Bafet, for your support. Thank you for everything this season, for watching. Thank you. Now, this is a teachable moment, right? There's a lot of people who don't understand keeping the ball or playing the ball emu. A lot of people will say Allende likes passing the ball emu. Now I'm going to show you the reason why you must pass the ball emu. You don't just pass the ball just for the fun of it. He could have tried to pass the ball to Usales here. He could have tried to play E1-2. 1-2. He could have done that, but he doesn't. What does he do? He goes back. Now watch what happens when the ball goes back. His space is Senzani, his space is Vulega. Now he's all alone. Now another teachable moment. Don't push the ball too much. Don't push the ball too much. Those of you who have kids abadlala ball, you must learn to tap the ball and push the ball kakhulu. Not good, you're gonna push the ball kaningi. No. Let me take it back. Just watch it. Just watch this touch. Watch this touch here. 1, push. There was no need for that extra push. That extra push there was no need for it. Had he pushed the ball the first time, then he was gonna be able to look up, then pass. But because of 1, 2, now you're passing. It's too late, you are offside. It's too late, you're offside. This is a teachable moment. Push. Had he pushed the ball the first time, control it and then you pass it the second time, he would have been onside. You see here, had he passed the ball, it would have been onside. But Tsekal push, now he passes the ball. Football is a game of small margins, guys. Game of small margins. Now, congratulations to Mapagania. Winning a treble, guys, it's not easy. The biggest team in the world has never won a treble. Real Madrid. You can go in history and go and check. They've never won a treble. Pirates have won a treble now 3 times, 3 seasons. Sundowns 2 times. Kaizer Chiefs has never won a treble. Others will say it's the biggest team in South Africa, but they've never won a treble. Congratulations to Amapagania. It was a great season, but Faith, we have to be honest, for Pirates. Chiefs improved in the season. Sundowns got what they wanted. If I was management of Sundowns, I was going to give Cardoso 2 more years and then give him players, attacking players. Go and get Mufukeng or Police. If they don't want, then we'll go overseas. Go overseas. But I would do that. I know a lot of Sundowns supporters, they want to Cardoso gone. It's okay. He came, he gave us a star. I'll miss watching and analyzing Amakemawan. But the most important thing, Buffett, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Ngiyabonga.